Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see how to upload any file using AutoIt in the Selenium script. Why we use AutoIt? I will let you know, and when AutoIt is required to use in Selenium WebDriver and how to use from base to end. I will tell you each and every step. Step by step will be very clear. You just have to see the video very carefully. See, it's very easy. It looks very difficult because AutoIt is a third party tool and all, and we don't know how to use it in Selenium third party thing. Selenium we know how to write through send key and all, but sometime when window is not inspectable and we cannot get the locator, we cannot use the send keys and all file uploading the file. So for in that case, when new window is opening, we and window is not inspectable, we cannot get the locator. We need to use AutoIt, and it's very easy. I will tell you each and everything step by step. Just look at the video. So here is a simple program I have written. I am ready with the till the point we are clicking on the upload button, so we'll get the upload window. It's very easy, just simple program. I will not waste time in this, and we all know how to write this. Here in this video we will only focus on the uploading file. So I have written program where it will open the application and it will click on the upload button to upload any file. So see, the program is starting in it is initiating the browser, and now application will open and it will click on the upload button. So we'll get to know where we have to upload the file. So it is opening some website, and then now it will click on upload button. Till here everyone knows, and it's very easy. It's a big basic of Selenium, and for those things separate video is already uploaded. See, now this window has opened. From this window we have to upload some files. So how we can upload? We can click on this and then click on open. These things we can do when this window is inspectable. Right click is working. See here, right click is not at all working. It's a Windows window which will not be able to inspect. To handle such kind of windows, we need AutoIt. AutoIt is a third party tool which we will use in Selenium. So how to use AutoIt? Now I'm going to do it. To use AutoIt, first we have to upload the AutoIt.exe file. First we have to download the AutoIt file. It's a free version, and we can download it from Google. So just simple search text, give it, no need to give any fancy text, just give it AutoIt download. The very first link you click it. For your convenience I am telling you, in case if you get some other link, go to www.autoitscripts.com. so click, go to this website. See here it is showing it's AutoIt official website. Go down, current version, take the latest version, go down and see software. It is given download, it is given, click on this or download AutoIt. So by this we will be able to download AutoIt, and this we have to install it. Apart from this AutoIt download, we need AutoIt script editor also. So what we will do, we will write the script in the editor, and through AutoIt we will compile it. So see, the next one, it is given AutoIt script editor. Just download this also. So go to this, it will look like this, and then go down. See, it is showing. Take the current version, first latest one, click, and it is downloading. Looks like internet, it is little slow and it is taking time. Now it is downloaded. Just save the file. That's it, done. Now go to the folder where we have downloaded, and see here AutoIt has downloaded in the zip file. Now we have to extract it all, extract it, and then go to the folder and just install it how we install any other simple software. So to do that, what we have to do is right click and run as administrator. Now that window will come, click on yes, and just take the default setting. We need not to change anything. How we follow for other software, same thing we will follow. We'll agree with their terms and conditions. Obviously, if we need their services, we have to be agreed with their services, right? So even if you want, you can read it, but no use. You have to accept it and just keep clicking on next, next, next. Don't do any other thing. I would highly recommend, don't change any settings. Take the default one and extract. Keep clicking next, next, next till the time it is completely green and it is showing 100% completed. So currently it is extracting so many files, and I guess within seconds AutoIt installation will be done very soon. It's very easy. It's just a simple installation. You need not to do anything. No part setting, nothing is required. So many things are extracting. Now very soon it's going to complete. And then we will just click on finish. That's it. AutoIt installation is completed. Just I guess 2 more seconds. That's it, done. Let it get complete. And then we have to do the script editor as well. See, just click on finish. That's it. AutoIt is. See, if you need any details or anything, it is they are giving help also. You can go through the help and you can get all these features, whatever information you need it, you can get it. Now this is AutoIt script editor. This also we have to run it, run as an administrator. This will also install very soon. See, yes, click fatafat yes, and then the same process. Don't change anything. Agree with their terms and condition and just keep clicking next, next, next. That's it. That installation also will be done as easy as AutoIt installation was. So this also installing very fast and it is completed. Just finish. Need not to do anything. Now go to your program files, because this AutoIt script editor will be installed in your program files. And here you have to little careful. Don't go to program files. Go to program files 86 or whatever version you have compatible to your Windows. You go to that program files. Don't go to program files. So if you have 86-bit, go to 86-bit, and here if you see AutoIt 3 and see what this 64 will do. Don't take the simple one, take the 64 one. AU3 info underscore x64.exe. What it will do, it will give you, see, I will show you. This is the, it will open the finder tool. So using the finder tool, you can inspect the window, any Windows window, and here you can check all the properties which we will use for our Windows inspection, and then we will compile the code and use it in our Selenium code. So this is we find finder tool. And now let's go to script editor. Go to SCITE folder in the same program files x68 86 or whatever 36 you have. Go to that and then go to scite.exe file. Just open it and it will open the file. Now here, see, I will show you. This was our page, and now you have to use finder tool. See, if you use the finder tool, you can see the title is open, class is added, instance is 1. Right? Now we will write the code in AutoIt script. So first what we have to do? First we have to control our focus. We have to set the focus, right? So write control focus. See, everything it is giving. Now see, it is showing nicely. What you have to do? Give title text control ID, right? So if you title text control ID, so if you inspect this window, you will get title is open and text, there is nothing very property like text, so we will just pass it as blank, and then we'll use, I will show you one more time, control ID. So control ID is nothing but we can use class edit and instance is 1. So we will use edit 1. Title is open. Text, there is no text, so we'll pass it as blank, and then instance will use is edit 1. So here we will write control focus in semicolon open and then comma, text will pass it blank and then comma control ID. So control ID was edit 1 and then close. Guys, be careful, use the same small case or uppercase whatever it is given. And now we have to set the text. Text means how what we are doing is in this field we are setting the text, right? So we have to set control set text. So we'll use control set text, right? Now title text control ID. So here title will be same open because we have already find it using finder tool, and text anyways blank, and then control ID will be this file which we are going to pass it, right? So guys, be very careful and copy paste the same thing. Don't do any other thing. Even a single mistake also will not be able to upload the file. So same thing, copy paste, double quotes, open, double quotes because we are passing text as a blank, and then we have to pass the same file .txt, correct? So check the file name again because little mistake also will not be able to upload the file. Do the rename, okay, that's it. Let's copy paste same thing again. I don't think there are no issues. Just to make sure I am correct, I am doing the same thing. Okay, now this is done. Next, take control click because we have to click that button, right? We have to click the open button, correct? So now if you do the finder tool, title is open, and but here control ID is changing because here class is button and there it was edit 1, correct? See this one, open, see button and 1, so we'll take the button 1, right? So here take control click because we are clicking, control click title text control ID, right? So title is, I showed you, open and then comma, again we'll pass the text as blank because nothing was there, and then button 1, and we'll use the double quotes, and then braces close, and now we will save the file. So wherever you want you can save the file. Let's give the name as a AutoIt script, AutoIt custom script, custom script. Okay, save it. Now close this because we don't need it anymore. Close this as well, and let's go to that folder where we have saved the file. So Inside this folder we have saved the file, and this was our file AutoIt custom script. Now we have to compile the script, right? So how we can do? And now use the compile script 86 or 64, whatever version you have. So I'm compiling the script, and then compile file will be appearing here, right? See, now custom it AutoIt custom script.exe file has generated. So this exe file we have to call in our Selenium code, then it will work. So to call this file, what we have to do is, because it's a exe file, so we can call it as runtime dot r should be capital, time dot get runtime dot exe. It is giving command, right? And then we will give the path and then the file name. Okay, so this is the path we have given, and now we have to give the file name. Use the double slash and then use the file name along with the extension. And how to take the file name, guys? Please don't try to type it, copy paste it, so there will be no chance of any mistake. Okay, now let's run the program and see whether that is working or not. Okay, I'm closing the open window and running the program, and definitely it should work. It is compiling, is initiating the browser. Let's see. It is opening the application. It will go to that particular page and will click on the upload window. It's loading. It's little slow. Let's see. Still it is loading. Why it is so slow? I guess I should have given some weight, but that's okay. Let's see what is happening. Otherwise, anyways, we can give it later as well. It click on the upload window and it should set the text as bullseye coverage error. Let's see, because network was very slow, so we'll see whether it is uploading or not. It should do that. Let me check it manually whether it is working or not. We'll say coverage error.txt. Manually it is working, so looks like we have done some mistake. Might be it's a, I doubt that we have done some mistake, but I guess we should give some sleep property, and it was taking so much time. Let me see what mistake we have done. So let's see what mistake we have done. Let's debug it one by one. First we'll see the logs. So if we go to the log, looks like through Selenium we don't have any issues. It's working fine. And if we see the application, we can see that it is getting the control in that text, that box. So it means some issue is with the script only, whatever we have written that script editor AutoIt, because it is focusing on this uh, file name box, but it is not able to take this file here, right? So let's see one by one. Selenium wise, looks like there is no issue, things are working fine. Let's check the script one more time, but I am sure it's working here. Runtime.getRuntime.exe. Let's check the path first. So path is same in AutoIt custom.exe. So file name is also same. So let's check this script first. We might have done, and in case if we want, we can, there must be a sleep issue, wait issue, time issue, but giving sleep and all is not recommended. So what we will do, we will not put the sleep. First we will check all the script, everything. If there is no mistake, then we will try putting sleep and check. But in a real time scenario, putting sleep and all is not at all recommended. Hard coding sleep, it's not at all recommended. So let's first see the script. We have opened the script. In control focus, open edit one. First we'll see this control finder one also, whether we have given the ID and all correctly or not. So we have to program one, right? So let's go to program one and then open AutoIt 3, find the tool, right? Okay, so let's check the name. So text is open and edit one, title is open and edit one, and there is nothing as text. So what we have given, let's see, open edit one and there is nothing as text. Now control focus. So this line is anyways working, we have seen in the application. Now control get, oh, this is the blender, guys. This is not control text get text, it is control set text, because we are not getting any text, we are setting the text. Where we are setting the text, see here already we have set the focus, right? Control, we have focused it here. Now what we have to do, we have to do the setting the text, not getting the text. We are not getting anything here. We do getting and all when we need to print out, and we some validation and all when we have to do, then we use get. Here really guys, it's my mistake, it's blunder. Here it should be set text. So let's control, mistake guys, control set text, right? So for set text, title text, control ID and new text what we are trying to set. Okay, so title anyways open, right? We have already checked. I'm making, so this line is working. Here we'll put open, right? And then text is nothing, so we'll pass it as blank, and then control ID. Control ID is anyways edit one we have taken for the control focus, where we had focused the control, there only we are setting the text, right? So id will be again same, edit 1. And then now what text we are going to set? New text, right? So new text we are going to set this one, right? So see guys, one simple mistake. I guess I would have said control set text and I selected control get text and it is not working and we wasted so much time, right? So doing things correctly is very important. Now we will check it again. Control focus open text, we are not passing anything, and I added one id. Control set text, here we are setting text open and then we are not passing any text, and then id is edit one, again same thing, and then whatever text we want to pass it there, we are passing whatever file name we are passing here, passing, because what we will do, we will same thing we will write here and then handle open and then it will work, right? Instead of clicking here and then clicking on open and uploading a file, what we are doing, we are focusing on this box and then we are setting this text and then opening, right? So we'll check it again to avoid any further mistake, and then we are clicking on control, that is open, and then no text again and button 1. Let's see whether this is working or not. So we have old one, I am closing. Now that work is done. So old exe file, old compiled file, we have to delete it. So we delete it and we'll compile it again, fresh one, I hope without mistake. Okay, so we'll compile script as s86. Let the compile file come, and this time if it is not working, then definitely it's a sleep issue and we have to try with the sleep. Okay, so again we have opened it and now we will run the same program with the new compile file. So run the file, let's see whether this time it is working or not, and I guess it should work this time. It is running, opening a file, application, it is invoking the browser. Now opening the application, page is opening, then you should click on the upload button. It's a little slow as well, let's see, it's taking a lot of time. I hope it should work without wait. And it is working, it is loading, it has to click on upload button. See, just clicked on upload button, now it is focusing on that box. Oh, thank god it worked. It took time but it worked. See, the file has uploaded whatever we have passed the file name, right? So I hope this video has helped you a lot. Thank you guys for watching me.